to turn on spelling suggestions on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the spelling suggestions on Gmail easily in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Gmail. As you can see, this is the home page. Go to the top and click on the settings option. Now go down and click on see all settings. After you click on see all settings, it will take you right here. Now scroll down until you find the spelling option. Now click on spelling suggestions on and it will be turn it on. Now go down and click save changes and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.